Stop wasting money on tools you barely use, seriously. That $200 gadget sitting in your drawer, you thought you needed it, you didn't. What if I told you there are budget gadgets that do almost the same job for a fraction of the price? And most people don't even know about them. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today, I'm showing you smart budget gadgets that replace expensive tools and actually save you money in real life. Let's get straight into it. First up, a mini handheld vacuum. Instead of buying a full-size vacuum for small messes, this tiny gadget does the job perfectly. Crumbs on your desk, car seats, sofa corners, done in seconds. It's portable, rechargeable, and costs way less than a bulky vacuum. Plus, you'll actually use it more because it's easy. Next, a smart plug. People spend hundreds upgrading to smart appliances. You don't need that. Just plug your regular device into a smart plug. Now your lamp, coffee maker, or fan becomes smart. Control it from your phone. Set schedules, save electricity, simple upgrade, big savings. Third, a portable blender. Those big countertop blenders are expensive and take up space. A portable one lets you make smoothies anywhere. At work, at the gym, even in your car. Just add your ingredients, press a button, and you're done. It's cheaper, more convenient, and easier to clean. Now this one is underrated. A digital measuring tape. Instead of buying advanced measuring tools, this does it all. Measure rooms, furniture, or even distance quickly. It gives you precise numbers instantly. Perfect if you're moving, decorating, or doing DIY projects. No guesswork, no mistakes. Another great one, a multi-charging station. People buy separate chargers for everything, phone, watch, earbuds. That adds up fast. A single charging station handles all your devices in one place. Less clutter, fewer cables, more convenience. And yes, it saves money long term. Here's a bonus tip most people miss. Use a phone tripod instead of buying expensive camera stands. If you create content or take photos, this is a game changer. Small, affordable, and surprisingly stable. Pair it with your smartphone and you're good to go. No need for expensive gear when you're starting out. Look, the goal isn't to buy more stuff, it's to buy smarter. These gadgets replace expensive tools without sacrificing value. And over time, that saves you hundreds of dollars. If this helped you rethink your spending, hit that like button. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more smart tech tips. And tell me in the comments, what's one gadget you regret buying?